very much for joining. Today we've got a classic, an oldie but a goodie, as I like to call them. Ben Harper, Burn One Down. I don't think Phish has ever played it, but I don't think it really matters. This is a great song. It's a great beginning song. There's only, I think, 4 or 5 chords in the song. He's got a really cool little riff that really kind of helps starting to learn playing chords and doing some fills with him as well. So we'll go over all that. As always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications, and let's hop in. Alright, so Burn One Down starts on a G. We're doing a little G riff here though. So what I'm doing there, I'm hitting the 3rd fret on the low E, so that's the G, hitting that note twice by itself. 2 down strums, and then an up. Again. Alright. Then we have a little riff here. Super cool. Yeah, super cool, really not that hard. So start here on that 3rd fret again on that G. Open A, 2nd fret of the A. Back to the 3rd on the E. 3, 2, open on the A. Open D, and then 3rd fret of the G. Do that one more time. So we'll go over that riff one more time here. Okay. So we'll go through the G and the riff slowly here. So when I play it that 2nd time, I do slow it down, so here's how it would be in full speed. So that is the main intro riff that you'll play there. Alright, so the chords for the verse, so we've got a G, E minor, C, G, E minor, C. Alright, so we'll start on our G here. G strumming. So our E minor, pass it over to C, back to G. E minor to C. Okay. So typically when I play this, I will throw a little fill in there as well. So let us burn one from end to end. Just to my E minor. C, my friend. G. We'll burn it slow to light me up before I go. And you have your chorus. Same chords. If you don't like my fire. E minor. E minor again. D, C, to your riff here. Alright, and that is it for Burn One Down by Ben Harper. Great song, great beginning song. Getting that riff down is pretty awesome. It's a good feeling. It's one of the first songs I learned how to play. I hope this helps you guys learn it as well. Please leave any feedback, comments below, and we'll see you again soon.